Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into SOXL. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, January 26, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has ranked SOXL as a hold/accumulate. It received a score of -0.43. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, SOXL has exceeded our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 19.63% since we initially recommended buying it 14 days ago. This translates to an impressive average return of 1.4% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 86.62% change over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 64.19% to 108.83%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 48.69% change over the next year, with potential returns ranging from -23.57% to 64.29%. This suggests a price range of $26 to $55.87 after 12 months. Our latest update for the SOXL Exchange Traded Fund, ETF, brings an important headline. SOXL ETF price experiences a significant -8.38% drop in Friday's trading session, resulting in a very red day. On Friday, the 26th of January 2024, the SOXL ETF price fell from $37.12 to $34.01, marking a significant decline of -8.38%. Throughout the trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 5.49%, starting from a low of $33.70 and reaching a high of $35.55. Interestingly, the price has increased in 6 out of the past 10 days, showing a positive trend. Over the course of the last 2 weeks, the ETF has risen by 19.5%. It's worth noting that the volume also decreased alongside the ETF, which can be seen as a positive sign since volume should follow the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by -10 million shares on the last day, with a total of 70 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.39 billion. Looking at the performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $39.53, while the lowest price was $12.52. Currently, the price sits at a 13.96% or $5.52 discount compared to the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 91.01% or $344.23 below the all-time high, which was recorded on November 26, 2020, with the price reaching $378.24. The SOXL Exchange Traded Fund, ETF, is showing some interesting signals worth noting. The short-term moving average is indicating a sell signal for SOXL. However, the long-term average is giving a buy signal. This suggests that, overall, a positive forecast can be expected for the stock since the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. As the ETF continues to gain momentum, it may encounter resistance when it reaches the short-term moving average, which is approximately $35.12. On the other hand, if the ETF experiences a decline, it may find support from the long-term average, which is around $29.68. It's important to monitor certain indicators to make informed decisions. A buy signal is being generated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which is encouraging. However, there have also been some negative signals that may impact the near short-term development of the stock. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 9.26% decrease so far. Based on this, further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. It's worth noting that the volume of trading decreased alongside the price during the last trading day. This can reduce overall risk, as volume tends to follow price movements. Taking all of these signals into consideration, it's important to carefully evaluate the current market conditions before making any investment decisions. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence-divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to keep an eye on is pivots, which gave a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger is another indicator that showed a buy signal 31 days ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 15 days ago. It's also worth noting that the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 54 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signaled a buy 51 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 39 days ago. For more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for the SOXL ETF. Let's start with support levels. The ETF currently has support just below today's level at $31.19 and $28.43. Support levels are important because they indicate a potential price floor. However, there is always a risk when an ETF tests a support level. If this level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if the $31.19 support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $28.43 and $28.10. It's important to note that the SOXL ETF is considered very high risk due to its high volatility. The ETF can experience significant price movements throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF, further emphasizing its riskiness. Looking at recent data, the ETF had a price range of $1.85 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, representing a 5.49% fluctuation. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 6.63%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SOXL. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $34.86. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be worth waiting for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $31.19. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $32.13, which is a decrease of 5.54%. This ETF experiences significant daily movements, making it inherently risky. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 2 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? While the SOXL ETF shows some positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it is more suitable as a hold candidate, allowing you to accumulate or hold your position as you await further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For Monday, January 29th, we anticipate SOXL to open up by $0.410 and begin trading at $34.42. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is here to provide information, but it's ultimately up to you to make your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What target have you set for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We wish you all the best in your trading journey and hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for being a part of the Stock Invest community.